I guess in this video I'm going to discuss how to use enum in C# .NET. So for this we need to use enum keyword, and here it is a distinct tab that consists of set of named constants called the enumeration list. So let's understand by example. So at here enum, and here I created the enum with the name month, and in month Jan, Feb, and here March, April, May, this all consist. So at here the index of Jan that start from 0 and Feb here 1, next March. So like this one by one that increase. Or here you can initialize the inner at here or index. So at your Jan, when I Jan initialize with 1, so at here hereafter that increase by 1. So 1 plus 1 Feb is 2, here March 3. So suppose if I give at here Jan value 100, so it's now 101, 102. So by default the value at here that initialized with 0 and hereafter that increased by 1. So see at here on or December you find 11 value. So this is the things. Now here after I'm going to create one class. So at here I'm going to create one class with the name at here. So first we need to write public, and here public class, and here creating the enum class with name at here enum month that I created. Now here after use the bracket, and here closing the bracket. So here one month is created. Now here after I'm going to use this month at this point at here. So at here enum month and this all values. Now here after let's go inside of main method, and here going to take integer variable I, and here if I do at here month, so here you can find month. If I do or dot, so here you get two different values like August, December, January. So let's give at here July. Now here after I'm going to place my semicolon, but still I'm getting the error. So at here cannot implicitly convert type. So this int so I is the integer tab, and here this value has different tabs, so an explicit conversion. So if you're going to initialize this value inside I, so we need to use typecasting. So let's give at here typecasting int here. So this will return July value 6. Now let's copy that one and paste it down. So I already used. Now here after let's give at this point J, and here so if I place dot, so here you can give different values. So I'm going to select November at here. Now here after going to use console class or dot right line method, and here printing the value of I. So at here for I value I'm going so June. So at here July, and here equal going to use placeholder, and can here I value going to print. Now here after we need to copy that one, and here going to paste. So this time here J value. So J is at here J value number value that go to J. So at here going to write NOT. Now here after if you execute here, so if you execute, now from here you can get the July value 6 and November value 10. So by this way we can print November and July value. So at here July value, if you take the cursor, so here July value 6 and here November value 10, it's displaying. Or here you can write some different codes. So at here I'm going to remove this code. Here let's see one more code where I'm going to print 1, 2, 3, 4 and Jan, Feb, March, April. So at here going to initialize Jan with 1, or you can initialize Jan with 10. So if you give 10, so that increase by 1, so Feb come 11. Now here after let's take a string type variable. So a string array type variable, the name str. Now here after going to use enum. So about here enum. So enum is the class provide the base class enumeration, and here so here this is the class, and here it provides base class of enumeration. So this is the use of enum. So if you take press dot, from here you get names method. So it at here retrieve the name of constant specified and enumeration specified value. Now here after going to use at this point going to use type of, and here passing day. So at here enumeration has this value month. So going to use at here month. Now the next is, so at this point semicolon that required to close. So at here one things I'm getting the error. So here we need to use names. So at here about the names, retrieve an array names of constant in a specified enumeration. So this is the use of get names to retrieve an array name of constant in a specified enumeration. So here after let's take integer I type variable initializing with the 0. Now here after going to use for each loop, and about the for each loop that I already discussed. So if you have any problem related to for each loop, so let me know. Give the comment. I will show you the link, or you can visit. So add here console class dot write line required. So write line that required, and you're going to print the value of s, and hereafter I gonna increase. So here after let's write few lines of code more. So next I'm going to use console dot write line method, and here printing the I value. So I value increase 1 by 1. So first time the value of I 0. Next that increase. So total I think that go to 11. Printing the I value at here. And hereafter I'm going to put the placeholder. So placeholder. Now hereafter going to take integer array type variable j. Now hereafter going to take at here integer array, and here e going to use enum. So if you press dot, here you can find get name and get names. So both two are different. So get names used to retrieve array names of constant specified enumeration. So this is the use of get names. Now hereafter let's use type of, and here passing month. So hereafter let's use for each loop once again, and here console class dot for each loop, not inside for each loop. So we need to pass at here int k, and here in. So j value that go to k, and here after body of for each console class dot write line method, and you're printing the value of k. So at here I'm getting some error messages. At here I did the mistakes. So we need to write at here get values. So press and here you can find to get or names and get values. So here get values. So about the get values, so retrieve an array of value of constant in a specified enumeration. So this is about to get values. Now if you execute this code, so at here you get the output. So first that's displaying Jan, Feb, this all, and here I value. So at here 12, and here this is the I value. So since I've given Jan equal to 1, so it start from 1, and here that increase by 1. So 1 2. So at the 1 index or Jan to Feb, it's displaying. Now here after we need to give at here comma, then it will works as a placeholder. So add here Jan Feb and I value 12, and this is the here. So 1 2 3 4, it's a display. So here about this code, so if you give add here or 10, so it will start from or Jan value that start from 10 index, and here 10, and that increase by 1 by 1. So total I value 12 times that run here, so that it's a displaying 12, and here this all Jan Feb, here it's a display. So this is the use of enum, and here that j value go to k, and one by one that print k. So this is the things about enum in C# .NET. So it consists of sets of name constant called the enumeration. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.